Okay, we're at the 18th Street Atrium. You can see the atrium there, it's under construction.
That's very interesting. Innovation security.
Security, I prefer Bruiser, honestly.
Yeah, me too.
Bruiser just looks nicer. There's a cab view.
And those are like this.
The cabs
These are
are
US
remodeled.
elevators.
Yeah, the cab's got remodeled.
Yeah.
Oh right, yeah, you push down first, so.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, these are US for sure. You can tell by the GL doors.
Yeah. Let's get our fixture picture.
Innovation security.
Close the door, select floor. I think the machines are on the top in this building.
Yeah, probably.
You can hear
overhead.
the motor, not motor generator, but the fans.
It just feels like a classic level.
This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
I don't like Innovation Bruiser or security is always so feels like it's so cheap.
Oh yeah.
That's why I like Bruisers, because Bruiser actually feels like it's quality.
Yeah, older Montgomery counties liked innovation security. They go with Bruiser nowadays.
Yeah, they did security for Van Resistant and Universal otherwise. Some places used that old Pinnacle, but Pinnacle was really rare.
Yeah. We'll go for one more ride.
One more ride up. That's a locked service cabinet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I
got
thought it
the.
was open.
Yeah, it looks like it would be, but it's not quite. I don't have a way to open that one.
Oh yeah.
There's only just key switches in there though. Most of the time it's a key switch to get in, a key switch to use it. You're looking at the interlock there?
Yeah.
Nice.
It looks like an Adams on the outside.
Alright, let's go back to one.
One is there. That was an amazing motor.
Oh, the startup sound?
Mm-hmm.
It's too bad we probably won't hear it on the video.
Yeah. Barely.
Maybe, we might be able to. The LED lights in this thing, I can see the refresh rate on my...
Oh yeah, look at this panel. That would be US.
Yeah. Nice.
And that's it.
Yeah.